Good morning, all of you. So, today is the day 3 of Scratch. So, we discussed about the lamp bar, what is file, I did tutorials and all. So, today I will discuss about code palette or code block. Okay. So, before code, what is block programming and what is Scratch? Scratch is basically a block programming. Do you know what is block? You saw block of bricks by which you are building is made. Okay, so by the help of block we can make anything like from plastic blocks you will make your homes, is it? So this type of what is block is a structure by which we can create something, okay, by the bunch of blocks. So in block programming also, so block is cleared. Now programming. What is programming? Programming is like you have your summer vacations program that someone will go to Nani's Ghar, someone will go to some summer vacation palace like Darjeeling and Himachal Pradesh, etc. So these are the programs predefined for you, like for vacations. And in coding in Scratch also we have some programs defined like C. There is event, okay, so this is green flag. As you see, when we will click this the program will run. So for this the first thing we will drag and drop is when green flag clicked, okay, and after that we will go to motion. What is motion? Anyone? Yeah, motion, like we will do motion like I am doing this is a motion. I am moving forward some step. Now I will not move because I will go out from the camera. So move 10 steps. Okay, so what will happen? Let's run. The cat is moving only one step, but so let's go to control. There is forever block, so we will use this. Let's see. Forever means, anyone? Yeah. Forever means doing something parallelly and doing something for a, like forever. You will go forever school till class 10. Then we will go to higher school. That's sprite is taking 10 step. Now we will, yeah, come here. Stop. It is going forever. Okay, class. So what is look? Look is like I am giving you look. Hello, class. Hmm. How are you? These are the looks. Sound. What is sound? Sounds are like uh, if I want that cat will say something. Let's do. Stop the program because this is a forever block. Cat will say meow meow till last when yeah, leave it. So this is event block. Event block is like when green flag click, when spacebar click, when the sprite will click. So event, like something will happen by clicking or doing something. What is control block? Control block is wait for 1 second. Okay, now I will do this. Then after that, it will. It is waiting. The sprite is waiting for 1 second. Then sprite is making sound. Then moving steps. So these are the blocks. Sensing. What is sensing? Sensing is like sense. Human being sense organs are tongue, nose, ears, skin, fingers, and all. Okay. So in Scratch also we have some sensing of devices or parts like touching mouse pointer, touching colors, mouse X, reset timer, mouse down. These are the sensors, keyboard and all. Okay, sensing clear. Now operator. What is operator? Operator basically a mathematical substitution. Like I will take this block. Okay. So if 1 plus 1 is 0, okay, we will use this block there. So if on and 1 plus 1 equal to 2, then use this. Else, so this type of mathematical I will explain in next class. So these are the basically the operators for mathematical function. Okay, like this. If 1 plus 1 equal to 2, then do something, or else if variable. What is variable? You see in the kitchen, you seen in the kitchen that some containers are there in which your mom put some salt, sugar, dal and all. Okay, so these are the containers which we can vary, like variables. I will give you example like every day your mom cooks something, so she takes sugar and all for cooking, so it will change the volume at that. So variables are like varying, जो vary हो सकता है. Okay. My blocks, अगर आपको कोई भी ब्लॉक खुद से बनाना है then you can take my blocks. Let's play the program. Let's run. Stop it. Thank you, class. We will do something more in next class. Bye.